How to fix Instagram IP ban? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix it. First, stop all Instagram activity for the next 24 to 48 hours. Avoid liking posts, following accounts, commenting, or repeatedly logging in and out of your account. This gives Instagram time to reset any temporary restrictions on your account. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data connection. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the issue is related to your current network. Now, let's clear the Instagram app data. On iPhone, open Settings. Tap General, then iPhone Storage. Find and select Instagram. Tap Offload App, then Confirm. This removes the app while keeping your account data and settings. After that, tap Reinstall App. Next, make sure Instagram is updated. Open the App Store and search for Instagram. If you see an Update button, tap it to install the latest version. You can also try logging out and back into your account. Open Instagram, tap your profile picture, then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Log Out. Wait a few minutes, then sign back in. If the problem continues, delete and reinstall Instagram completely. Press and hold the Instagram app icon. Tap Remove App, then select Delete App. Then again, tap on Delete. Open the App Store, reinstall Instagram, and sign in again. If none of these solutions work, the restriction may be temporary and applied by Instagram's security system. In that case, wait 24 to 72 hours and avoid suspicious activity while using the app. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix an Instagram IP ban or temporary restriction. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.